Ladies and gentlemen, the new Datsun Cross. As I mentioned earlier, this multi-purpose car is specifically developed for Indonesian customers. Stylishly designed and equipped with the latest technologies. The new crossover creates a new segment in the market. Look at these bold lines and robust stance. It will remind you of a well-trained athlete, muscular, agile, but very smart. With a high ground clearance of 200 millimeters with 15-inch tires, Datsun Cross can easily fit to the variety of the road conditions in Indonesia. I can proudly say, this car is a great combination of performance, fuel efficiency, and design the customer is looking for. It also comes with a number of fast items. For the fast item, we offer the world-class Nissan CVT technology in Datsun cars. The CVT can change seamlessly through a continuous range of effective gearless use, enables the engine to work at a high efficient range for each vehicle speed. It is smoother, more comfortable, and more fuel efficient in comparison to conventional automatic transmission. Datsun Cross also will be the first car in its price range to offer safety features like a vehicle dynamic control as standard for all grades. VDC includes ABS, EBD, traction control, and brake limited slip differential. VDC improves the vehicle stability, reduces the risk of the accident, and provides more confidence to the driver. Datsun Cross is also equipped with the other safety equipment such as dual front airbags. From the front are the distinctive eagle-eye projector headlamps. Against first in its segment to feature automatic operation for lights. The dual character of the car is highlighted by the purposeful and highly integral looks. These practical chrome roof rails are standard for all grades and offer an additional load capacity. It's a perfect solution for long travel. The black sporty interior is further refined by the distinctive seat covers with a honeycomb pattern and silver double stitch. We are also focusing on the quietness of the cabin to ensure your journey is a pleasant one. further enhanced by the latest audio display, which connects smartphone applications with the car. And space has always been one of our strong points, and we ensured that there is an ample room for 5 adults and spacious trunk for luggage. There is also the bonus of 2 extra seats in the back that can be used, if needed, to transport a small children over short distances. So don't worry if your kids decide to invite their friends to join the ride. The Datsun Cross comes in 7 variations of exterior color with 2 new colors, amber, like this one, and copper color. We start pre-booking from today with a booking price starting from 163 million rupiah. The delivery timing will be March 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud of launching Datsun Cross, designed, developed, and produced in Indonesia, with a strong collaboration between Indonesian and Japanese designers and engineers. We are committed to offer better cars for our customers here. I'd like to appreciate and thank the Datsun team for making this great car, offering exciting driving and ownership experience for you. Thank you for your attention.
Halo pemirsa GridOto, hari ini GridOto berada di acara World Premiere mobil Datsun. Baru diluncurkan Datsun Cross. Ini tampilan mesinnya. Ini tampilan mesin di Datsun Cross. Depannya kita ke bagian dalam dari Datsun Cross. Bagian dalamnya kita lihat.
Ini tutup dulu mas, tutup gak usah dulu. Sorry ini, kepala untuk Pik, video Pik.
Ini lagi video deh.
Salah lagi.
Rekan-rekan media sekalian, sesi roundtable akan segera dimulai. Kami persilakan untuk menuju Curacao Room untuk sesi market dan bisnis, dan untuk sesi produk dan teknologi, kami persilakan untuk tetap berada di main hall. Dan kepada rekan-rekan media yang mengambil headset, mohon mengembalikannya di depan pintu masuk main hall. Terima kasih.
Tipis, kayak papan aja ya. Sorry ya mas, saya untuk oke ini karena mau
Dimasukin tadi.
Sekali lagi diberitahukan kepada rekan-rekan media, sesi roundtable akan segera kita mulai. Kami persilakan untuk menuju Kurakorum untuk sesi market dan bisnis, sedangkan untuk sesi produk dan teknologi, kami persilakan untuk tetap berada di main hall. Kepada rekan-rekan media yang sudah mengambil irsa, mohon mengembalikannya di depan pintu masuk main hall. Terima kasih.
Oke, sekian live GridOto-nya.